Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to replace the screen or the LCD assembly on this 13-inch MacBook Pro model A1502 mid 2014. Alright, so we got the replacement screen here. Okay, and these screens are tending to get pretty expensive right now. But anyways, we're going to use a P5 or Pentalobe 1.2, a T5 or Torx 5, alright, T5 or Torx 5, and then a T8 or Torx 8 screwdriver, alright? I believe that's all we're going to need. So let's go ahead and remove the Pentalobe 1.2 or P5 screws from the bottom. You want to keep all the screws in order because they can be different size, shape, and lengths. The way I do that, flat side down like this. In the pattern I remove it, so we have this rectangular shape. And we're just going to remove all the screws and put them in that pattern. If you already took the screws out and mixed them up, the back two here are a little bit shorter than the rest, so keep that in mind. Alright, other than that, let's go ahead and continue with the disassembly. Okay, if this video helps you out, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. If it helps you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, so these are customer computers, so keep that in mind. I don't own these computers, so by the time you see this video, there's a good chance that I'm not going to have the computer anymore. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and pop the cover off. Whoa, that's gross. Okay, it's very dusty inside, and you can see like some liquid residue stuff here, and also they told me the battery's bad. I can actually see this battery is really bulged up here, okay, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to clean this off. I'm gonna use a toothbrush and just scrub this or brush this stuff off, and then I'll use a electric air blower to blow everything else out. I don't know about this dried up crusty stuff here. Hopefully it will come out with the brush. It is breaking off when I kind of just poke it. So hopefully with the toothbrush, as I scrub it, it will come out. Alright, so we're going to do that. This one, because it has like crusty stuff on it, I'm probably going to run it under the sink and then dry it off. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, well, I'm back. I cleaned this, but I kind of wanted to show. I had to actually use hot water and soap. But the inside this, I can't do that, but I kind of wanted to show a close-up. So you can kind of see what I'm going to have to clean out, and hopefully it will look a lot better. I'm just going to use a dry toothbrush and some air to blow it out, but alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So as you can see, it's still kind of gross. I tried scrubbing this as much as I could, but some of that stuff wouldn't come out. Right, some of these rubber things weren't sticking anymore, so I took them out. Okay, these I'll put back. And you can see it's quite a bit cleaner, but there's stuff that's permanently kind of stuck in there. There's even a fingernail in it, but yeah. Alright, so anyways, we're going to leave this off for now, and these two rubber pieces off for now. Okay, it should stick like this if I remember correctly. I think these rubber parts that protrude out go closer to the middle. Okay, and yeah. So we're done with the P5 or Pentalobe 5 for now. We're going to switch over to the T5 or Torx 5. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery. Though the battery is completely dead. So to remove the battery, let me actually zoom in here. So it has this connector right there, and we're going to pull this up. Oh, that's why their battery's dead. So I don't know if replacing the battery is going to help at all. Anyways, we're going to clean this up. I don't know if they should even fix this computer at this point, to be honest. But anyways, I'm going to clean this out and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So I cleaned out that gunk. Basically separated the shorted pins and cleaned that. Okay, anyways, after disconnecting the battery, you want to open up the computer and then press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. Oh, apparently one of their keyboard keys are popping out as well. Man, I really don't know if they should fix this. Yeah, maybe I should let them know. I mean, we'll see what happens. I'll test it because they did say like everything else is working. I'm gonna pop this key out and see if I can repair this. Okay, I have someone calling me right now. I think that's another customer here to drop something off. Okay, I'm gonna try and pop this out and see if we can fix this. Got the up arrow key here. Okay. It's all crusty here too, so. Actually, it's missing the rubber piece here. So I don't even know how they were using this. Okay, well, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to have to check my phone in a bit because I have a customer calling. But let's go ahead and pop that. Oh, a piece of that plastic's missing. Yeah, I'm going to contact my customer because I don't think this is going to be worth fixing with all these issues. Depending what they want. If you want, I have another video showing how to replace the screen. But this might just be a somewhat of a cleaning video. Okay, anyways, I'll be back. Alright, so I actually tested the screen on here, and it turns out that whatever outputs the display here is actually damaged, because even with the replacement screen it wasn't working. So we're actually going to end up just reassembling this laptop because we decided it's not worth repairing. It's going to need motherboard repair, and if they're going to pay that much to repair the board, which might save them from having to buy the screen because their screen looks okay physically on the outside. So most likely the liquid just damaged the motherboard somewhere. But the customer and I decided, because of the liquid damage here and all this gunk here and in the battery, that most likely there's going to be other issues elsewhere. So we actually decided to just stop working on it there. We're going to actually put these rubber pieces back. And these rubber pieces I don't think are going to really do anything. They're going to end up falling around in the computer. So we're just going to leave those out as well. Okay, and then I guess they got like a cleaning in their computer. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and put this back on and put back all these screws. Sorry, this didn't work out the way it turned out to be. But yeah, alright. Anyways, I have other videos showing how to do screen replacements on these models. So if you wanted to do that, then yeah, I have other videos. Just let me know and I can send you a link to that. Alright, anyways, we're just going to be reassembling this now. But that's pretty much it. Alright, so as you can see, sometimes you can't just assume it's going to be, the repair's not always going to be what the customer assumes it is. So they didn't know it was from liquid damage. They just saw that the screen wasn't turning on. They used it with an external monitor and it worked okay. So that's how they've been using it. But anyways, they also told me that the battery wasn't taking a charge, and yep, now we can see why. So at some point, I don't know, it got like milk spilled inside or something. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Alright, we're just reassembling all this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Alright, let's drop this. Alright, bye.